In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Accessibility and Convenience section. Now scroll again, this time to click on Simple Mode under Modes. Tap on Enter Simple Mode here and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you want to go back to the standard one, go into Devices Settings, hit Simple Mode, and tap on Exit. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!